Hi guys and welcome to the channel. My name's Mariella and the channel's In the Kitchen with Mariella. Today is August the 17th and our devotion is called Well Done. Well done, my good and faithful servant. You have been faithful in handling the small amount, so now I will give you many more responsibilities. Let's celebrate together. Matthew 25:21. By committing our lives to serving Jesus, we commit to investing in the treasures He has given us and growing it to even greater value for His kingdom. When He returns, we should have something to show for our years of serving Him. By faith, we make good on our commitment to Jesus by sharing the gospel and serving widows, orphans, and refuge in our land. Do what you say you will do after all. God has kept His promise to you. Look forward to the day when you will hear the fulfillment of your commitment. Well done, my good and faithful servant. Let's celebrate together. Oh God, how I desire to hear these words. I want to be a good and faithful servant. Give me the strength to do that, please. Our nighttime devotion. Our lives are representations of Jesus, and our ability to make good on our commitment illustrates God's faithfulness. We commit to being faithful, honest, and diligent. We model goodness. We model godliness to a godless world. We demonstrate His love and mercy to a world lost in sin. Make good on your commitment to the world in order to shine in the light of Jesus in the darkness. Spend some time reflecting on the faithfulness of God and let that be your motivation. The question of the day. What do you find to be the hardest part of keeping your promise? For me, the hardest part of doing that is being ridiculed, being told that I believe in something that doesn't exist. Someone once told me that it doesn't hurt to believe, because if I believe and it's not true, then who did it hurt? Where if you don't believe and it is true, then you're the one that gets hurt. I want to thank you all for watching. If you would like, subscribe, ring that notification bell, leave a comment, and share my videos, I would appreciate it. And remember, don't let anyone or anything take your sunshine or your smile. Have a good day. Bye, guys.